Hello, people. So as of yesterday, I saw this Netflix series called Untold, where it was more than a 1 hour long documentary on Kathleen Jenner, who was earlier known as Bruce Jenner and was the father of the Kardashians. I mean, he was the Keeping Up with the Kardashians, that show. So it is, my god, when you watch this one documentary, I mean, normally sometimes it happens, no, we don't really watch documentaries on the lives of people and all. I mean, there are so many other more interesting things to watch, but this particular documentary on Kathleen Jenner, I mean, the Untold is a it's a kind of it covers other celebrities also, but for me, Kathleen Jenner transitioning, he's a Olympic gold medalist in the 1976 Olympics, I think. So, and he went on to, now he just turned 70 and he transitioned into a woman. So, I mean, he says that when he gets up to heaven, he'd want to ask God just why he was put through all of this, the gender identity crisis. But during the documentary, this is a very beautiful thing he says, that he says, he or actually she says, or, Bruce Jenner, like he says that he wouldn't have probably become a Olympic gold medalist if he didn't have the level of angst that he had. So it's like, in this whole attempt, like back in the 1970s and all, it was never that whole idea of you know transitioning from becoming a woman from a man. I mean, that idea itself was unheard of. So he says that when he took part in the Olympics, it was to kind of prove to himself that he is man enough and he can compete with other men. So, I mean, it is just so remarkable, yeah. So, those of y'all who don't have Netflix connection, it is just 200 rupees a month. uh, like, it's these days it's just convenient to watch it on your phone, yeah. Who has the time to actually switch on the TV and watch it? So the phone is always with us, and you can just watch anything, just when you're in, just generally when something is on your phone. So the internet, the Netflix is just 200 bucks for the phone. And it opens your mind to the kind of world there is outside, like, I'm sure there might be so many Kathleen Jenners in India itself, or in wherever we are staying. And it's about how people are not sensitive enough to, you know this kind of condition. Like, I myself, until I saw this documentary, I didn't realize what a struggle it must have been for this gentleman. So do try and catch it, people. It's called Untold, Kathleen Jenner, the story, and it will blow your mind. So it's almost 3 minute video, but I just had to make this. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.